To move your WordPress website from one Hostinger account to another Hostinger account, we need to install a plugin all in one WP migration. So you go to plugins and then add new plugins and search all in one migration plugin. Now install the plugin and active your plugin. And go to all-in-one WP migration plugin to export, and then select your file. We can export the file from different places, or from Google Drive to any cloud areas, but we will download as a file in our desktop. So click on file, and it will generate you the exported version of your website in a few minutes. We can manually transfer a website easily, but this is not for beginners, and developers can easily transfer the website. But if you are a beginner and you don't know how to code and change your code from hosting, then uh, using a plugin is very easy for you. So our code is generated, and we download our file. So our file is downloaded. Yeah. So now go to your Hostinger account where your website is downloaded. So press websites and select your domain, and where from the three dot icon, just click on it and find your website to delete. So we need to delete our website completely to access the website from another Hostinger account. Now our website is completely deleted. So we are logging in our another Hostinger panel, and from websites, add a new website, select WordPress as we want to install WordPress. Now we need to input our login details, your email address and a password for our new website login details. So after we implement our file, the details will also change from previous login details. So select any blog or anything, or skip uh, all the place, create blank. Now here type your domain name. So we deleted our domain from the previous Hostinger account. So type the domain name here and register at another profile. So as I registered the Hostinger from Namecheap, so this shown you me. If you register at a Hostinger, this will not show you. Okay, press next, and now it will install your WordPress. We don't need to change name server here because we already hosted our account in a previous Hostinger account, so they already pointed uh, to a Hostinger. So I uh, buy the domain from Namecheap. So previously I said um, from Namecheap to Hostinger, with a Hostinger DNS server, so that my domain can install on Hostinger. So this, if you want to install a new fresh website, then you can visit our another videos link in the description. So our website is almost installed. Now go to websites and you see our website is installed, and from there we can go to our admin panel. So first we need to remove all the plugins that are installed. So select all the plugins and deactivate all the plugins, and we can delete all the plugins. And again we need to install the all-in-one WP migration plugin to import our file. So search for all-in-one WP migration, install the plugin, and active the plugin. Okay, so and from all-in-one plugin, go to import and upload your downloaded file here. So our file, we selected the file, and our um, installation is stuck at a moment. So this is a common issue with all-in-one WP migration plugin. So from there we need to upload the plugin in the file manager. So go to your domain file manager, and from the file manager we will upload the file that we export previously. Okay, so from public HTML, go to WP content. So here you see the all-in-one WP migration backup file, and there choose the icon of upload file, select your file and upload the file. So file is uploading, and uploaded is completed. So now we need to uninstall the plugin. We need to install another plugin. um, as we don't have the premium version of this, we will use another plugin, the link in the description below. So let's deactivate the current plugin here, and now download the plugin, the link in description below. So and upload the plugin. Our file is downloaded, and go to add new plugin and upload the plugin. Choose the new plugin zip folder. We'll select the zip folder and install the plugin. Active your plugin. Now we can use the premium feature restore. Okay, so in plugin and their backups, we will see our backup file here, and from the icon just click on restore, and it will uh, show you some warnings. Proceed to the warning, and now our file is start restoring our backups. So all-in-one WP plugin, the basic plugin that we use for free, does not have a restored version. So now our plugin imported all the files. Now as you can see, we need to go settings and permalinks and save changes twice. Okay, now we are all set, and our we can see that all our posts are uploaded. We can visit that our website is completely